Good morning to all my dear students. So today we are going to see how to find out the LCM. I hope all of you understand how to find out LCM and all of you do the given homework. So now here today we are going to see LCM. So the questions are this type. Find the LCM of 90 and 120. So here to find out LCM we have to find out the prime factors of these two numbers. And how to find out prime factors, all of you know that it is horizontal method and the vertical method. I will explain you by both the methods. Okay, so now here first I will explain you the vertical method. So now see this 90 unit place what 0, so we can divide it by 2. So when we divide it by 2, see 90 divided by 2, 2 4s are 8. So what is 1 is remaining, then this 2 carry we downstairs, and 2 5s are 10. So it means for 45 means 2 into 45 or 90. So that 2 into 45 we wrote there. So now here 45. So now this 45 we can again divide it by 2. No, unit place which number 5 is there. It means what? This 45 we can divide it by what? We can divide it by 5. So here how we are going to do? Yeah, 5 plus 4 is what? 9. So it means what? 3 stable. It means this 45 we can divide it by 3 stable also. But we will divide by 5. So when we divide it by 5, what we are getting? See, 2 into this number we divided by 5. So into what? 9. Means what? 9s are. So this 2 as it is, this 5 as it is into. Now this 9 is there. So this 9 we can divide it by what? 3s are. So when we divide it by 3, so what? In 3's table when it will become 9s are. So 3 3s are 9. So here these are nothing but the prime factors of the 90. Now same we are going to find out the prime factors of the 120. So 120 again we can divide it by the 2 because unit place what 0 is there. So here it is what 2 into 120. So now see here this 2 6 are 12, 0 0, then this 0 we carry downstairs. So we can divide this one. So we give 0 and 0 and then what answer we are getting? 0. So it means what? 60. Means 2 into 60 is what? 120. So now again 2 into, now this 60 again, suppose we will divide it by 2. So we divided by 2, so what we are getting? 60 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. Then this 0, then we 0 we divided by 0. So what we are getting? 30. So it is what? 30. Now again 2 into this 2 as it is, and this 30 again we divided by 2. So 2 से divide करेंगे तो what we are getting? 15. So 2 into 2 into 2, and now this 15, suppose 5. So 5, what? 3s are 15. So here we are getting these factors of the 120, and these are the prime factors of the 90. So to find out LCM, what we have to do? We have to write down the maximum numbers. Means maximum to see which numbers we are getting common here. 2, 5 and 3. So this is like this we find like this method we find out the SCM. But LCM, for LCM what we have to do? Which numbers maximum times occurs, that numbers we have to write down. So see, the numbers are nothing but here which numbers are there? 2 is there. So maximum how many times 2 come in both here? See, in 19th table, in 19th prime factors 2 comes only once. But in 120's factors, how many times 2 come? 1, 2, 3. It means what? Maximum in these two factors, maximum 2 is coming how many times? 3 times. Then 3 is coming here, it is 1 time, but here it is what? Only here it is 2 times. The maximum means 3 comes maximum 2 times, and 5 only once. So here how we are going to write down? So here we are going to write down here prime factor. See, these all are nothing but what? Prime factors. So here the prime factor, factor first we are going to take 2. So in दोनों में 2 how many times comes? See, Here in 19's prime factor it comes only once, but here it comes how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. So here we are going to say here the prime factor 2 occurs maximum 3 times. Done. Then what? 5. Then the prime factor, which one now? 5 occurs maximum 5 how many times come? Here 1, here 1, means only 1. Occurs maximum 1 time. Then which one? 3. The prime factor which one now? 3 occurs maximum. See here it is how many times? 2 times, and here it is what? 1 time. So maximum कौन से? In 90s, and it is 2 times. So here it is what? 2 times. So therefore LCM is equals to, so therefore LCM, so see 2 how many times? It 3 times. So 2 you have to write down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Done. Then prime factor 5. 5 kitne time hai? 1 time. So only write down once. And then after that what? 3. The prime factor which one? 3 occurs maximum kitne time? 2 times. So it means what? 3 we have to write down 2 times. Done. Now their multiplication. See 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. 40 3s are 120, and 120 into 3 360. अगर आप लोगों को डायरेक्ट नहीं आ रहा तो यहाँ पे रफ पेज पर आप लोग कर सकते हैं. सी 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. So 40 into next is what? 3. So 0 0 4 3s are 120. So now 120 into 3. So 3 into 0 0. Then 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So it is answer about 360. Clear? So like this we have to find out the SCF. Now next suppose we are going to take one more example. So now suppose next example I give the suppose the next pair is nothing but we are going to take second example is nothing but the 3 numbers we will get. Find SCF of LCM of 12, 16 and the 48. So now here see how many numbers are given here. Here 2 numbers 1 pair is there, but now here 3 numbers 1 pair. So don't worry, 2 numbers do, 3 numbers do, jo bhi do. But what we have to do, we have to just find their prime factors. So first we are going to find out the prime factors of the 12. So 12's prime factors are nothing but what? 2 into what? In 2's table it comes 6, 2 6, then 2 into 3. So it is prime factors of 2. Now next we are going to suppose find out the prime factors of 16. If you do not have space you can write them downstairs also. So see 2 into what? 8, then 2 into 2 into 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. See you can verify 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. And now suppose we are going to find out the prime factors of the 48. So 48 again 2s are, so 2 2s are, now see here 48 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, then 8 carry downstairs, then 2 4s are 8, means for 24. See 24 again we can divide it by 2. So this 2 as it is, this 24 we are going to divide it by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 12. So 2 into 2 into 2 into what? 6, and 2 into 2 into 2 into this 2 into 3. So these are the prime factors of 48. So now again same method like this. We have to write down which prime factors comes how many times. So here prime factor, which one? First one is 2. So 2 occurs maximum. How many times 2 occurs? See, in 12 prime factor it is 2 times. Here 1, 2, 3. Here it is 4 times, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Means what? It is for 2 occurs maximum 4 times. So here we are going to say here the prime factor 2 occurs maximum 4 times. Okay? Then which is the common one? After 2, 3 is there. So next, and the prime factor which one? 3 occurs maximum. 3 how many times? Here 1, यहाँ पे तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, and here 1. So how many times? Sorry, 1 time. So therefore LCM 2 how many times? 4 times. So with how many we have to write down 2 4 times in multiplication form. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and then 3 how many times? Into 3 only one time. So now do the multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 3s are 96. So the LCM of this number is nothing but what? 96. So यहाँ पे last में you have to write down. So therefore LCM is what? 96. I hope all of you understood. So for today we will just see this much, and the remaining all the parts we will see in the next Tuesday. So properly find out the proper factors, then how which factors come how many times, that write down, and at the end this multiplication do it properly. I hope all of you understood. So I will give you extra sums, so you have to solve that, and in that if you have any doubt, so you can ask me directly. Thank you.